An environmental group says cruise ships dumped more than 1 billion gallons of sewage into the ocean in 2014, much of it raw or poorly treated. Friends of the Earth issued its 2014 cruise ship report card after analyzing U.S. Environmental Protection Agency data regarding cruise ship waste. The organization graded 167 ships operated by 16 cruise lines on 4 criteria: sewage treatment technology, air pollution reduction, water quality compliance, and transparency. Friends of the Earth said the transparency criterion was added this year after the cruise lines refused, through their representative, Cruise Lines International Association, to provide information about their pollution reduction technologies. All scored an F for transparency as a result. For SunSentinel.com, I'm Matthew Harron.